So there's nothing that can go wrong.
You're overthinking, now it's gonna go wrong.
He said you're overthinking, now it's gonna go wrong.
Yo.
All right. Hey. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've never done some shit like this.
Yo, check this out, boys.
Alright, so the frame rails are literally being made as we speak. You know, the content must go on, like I always say. So today, we're about to break in the new bike. We're gonna jump the Corvette. I haven't really rode this thing since I bought it. You guys saw I picked this up not too long ago. We're going to Home Depot, building a ramp, and I guess we're gonna jump this thing and mess around. That's the plan for today. There's never really much of a plan, just an idea.
Donnie's gonna jump it.
You would wreck the Corvette. It's like that movie. What's that movie? Hot Rod. They go to hit the jump, and the whole jump just gives out.
Watch out, let me get on this bike.
If Donnie went through this car at like any speed over 15, 20, it would actually be rebuilt title.
I could just ride the bike, do some wheelies on the
Hey,
way
you
there.
ride the truck, let me ride the bike.
Yeah, I'll just ride.
Alright. Yo, this bitch has me feeling alive.
Oh my god, he's such an athlete. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know if I can jump the Corvette. Y'all come out that same truck? I haven't built a ramp since I was like 15, 16.
Yo, I'm telling you right now, I want to stand on your seat and try to jump like that. I'll be on some reckless shit. America just broke their back for some content. Come on now.
Oh my god!
That would be sketchy.
If I broke my back, I wouldn't even know what to do with my life.
But it wouldn't be that bad if you could still walk. It's just you gotta recover.
Alright, let's load it up. I need a hand. Give me a couple hands.
I was about to piece his ass, but I was nice.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, what's expensive as right now because of Corona? Because all the COVID wood. Oh, I'm sliding on that ramp. Oh, roofless for no reason.
Alright, ready to roll. We gotta build this thing. As in, when I say we, I mean like probably me, but I just need the moral support from you guys. That's it.
It depends how smooth he hits the jump.
Honestly, how safe can a ramp that we build be?
Oh, yo! Oh, he on X Games mode!
X Games
Oh, God!
Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the holy wine. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse.
You think there's enough angle on that? I mean, here, look. Oh,
Yeah, nah.
There's hella. You're flying.
Bro, that's huge.
It looks way bigger like this.
Bro, I don't know if it should be that big, but measure how tall the C8 is. I don't know if I need that much.
Bro, just do it like this. It's the easiest way.
This is some X Games mode type shit here.
Timer's going, Judah. I don't see the hustle.
Yo, forget about this guy's tree.
That's someone's house.
I was always the friend that was building the ramp that my friends jumped when I was younger.
Oh my god. Mom's in the kitchen. The plywood just flies through.
If YouTube goes to shit, I can just build ramps.
I feel like we're back in like
back in middle school.
just feel like a tiny bit smarter. 30 shotgun beers. Shut the up, boys.
Give me one, give me one.
Bro, yo, hold up. How many do we? Yo, hold up. Whoever shotguns these for is definitely getting tips. I'm not drinking. I'm chilling out. Not today.
Let me go first.
Woo, like a glove. Yo, this is a back.
Oh, this is durable, for real. Look at it. Oh yeah, this is.
Oh my god.
Bro, this is literally how you build ramps.
If this came in, I would be happy with it.
And then I would crash, but
Bro, do you really want me to hit this? I'll do it if you back out. I'll rip it.
give me that skateboard. I'll show you how it's done. Skateboarding's the worst because it is like 10 tries. I'm gonna take out the help.
No, I got you.
You did not have that.
You were definitely just frozen watch.
Oh, I wasn't yet.
I didn't think I had that. Got you, I never skated before. Oh my god.
Right on the other end of the ramp is his mom eating dinner. Look.
speed like he was going. He can make it like to the long grass.
His key so he doesn't have to jump it. Oh, he hit the key.
Yeah. It's the Hellcat key. Jeez, dude. I guess I don't have to do it. Nope, not in the Hellcat. Oh, test jump.
You could go like 60 feet on that.
I know.
Dude, you should wear your helmet here.
No helmet.
Dude, he's gonna.
I'm barely hitting it too, bro.
Back up your Corvette first here. Just send that right now. And then once you do that, we'll think about the other shit. Just so we get that out the way.
Daddy's money.
Cover her up. Go close, but not super close.
Right there.
There's nothing that could go wrong with like this, right?
You keep thinking you're gonna up.
Donnie, you would do this?
If you want me to do it, I will do it. Judah, I'm being serious. You want me to do it, I'll do it.
So there's nothing that can go wrong.
You're overthinking, now it's gonna go wrong.
No, don't say that. He said you're overthinking, now it's gonna go wrong.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Matthews, hop on the back.
Not on the first try.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've never done some shit like this. Bike starts running like shit.
Out of this.
This is Judah's Garage Nitro Circus Edition. Jackass Edition. It's cold out today, boys. It's 61. In Florida, that's cold. So we are rolling out right now to pick up the frame rail. So I told you guys I'm having my fab guy make them. And my neighbor Bill here, he's been in the videos before, you guys have seen him. He's actually been in a couple videos. He had a fab guy that he told me is the best. He brought the frame rails to his guy, just a little shop. The guy literally made them in like a week, and these things look so good in pictures. So we're about to see him in person. So I'm picking up Bill, we're rolling out, and the day is here. The frame rails are done. And once I get them, I'm gonna do some test fitting and some other things, and then get them powder coated. So it's not assemble time yet, but very soon this C8 is gonna be on the road, like Lord willing. So let's pick up Bill, my neighbor, and roll out. And as you can tell, I'm pretty excited. So the day is here. Let's do it. What up? Oh, it's locked.
What's happening?
You ready? The day is here.
I'm ready if you are.
I know. You're probably more ready than me.
Well, you never know.
We have arrived, and I'm about to check these things out, so we're gonna see how good these things are.
Hey, how's it going? Have to do some trimming here.
Yeah, of course. Kept them big, which is smart.
You know what? I had to make sure I didn't weld that real nice because the other one was done real shitty.
Factory ones?
Yeah, they were done shitty too. Then I wound up running out of wire. It's like, son of a bitch, but that's what they were. These holes are probably close. I'll tell you what, I don't think you're gonna have too much problem. I mean,
Pretty much identical. Alright guys, so as you guys know, we have had a non-stop battle waiting for these frame rails. The fact that I'm holding these DIY like OEM frame rails is just like crazy. Once these things are painted and installed in the car, you're literally not going to know the difference structurally or visually. They literally weigh the same, they're made out of the same material, they're solid aluminum. My guy that made these, my fab guy, literally made these out of a flat piece of aluminum. This was at once one huge piece like this. A flat just sheet, like this big. He cut it up, bent it, welded it together, and now they look like this. So pretty crazy, and honestly, I'm just so happy that we finally are one step closer. But I still have some, not bad news, but some news. So as much as I'd like to install these literally like tomorrow, or no, not even tomorrow, tonight, I have some things I need to do. I have a trip to Colorado that I'm going on literally tomorrow, and we just got these like yesterday. So I don't have time to install them, because to install these is gonna be a lot of work. So when I get back from Colorado, which I'm taking you guys with me, I am coming back, and the first thing I'm doing is installing these frame rails. So they just slide in, but they don't just slide in really easy. I have to bang them in, but literally they just slide in this groove. As you can see, they like, I'm barely at, it's pretty hard to do this with one hand, but literally this goes into there, slides in. I gotta bang it with like a mallet, but it's pretty simple. So once these are installed, I'll then install the crash bar, which bolts onto the front of that, and then literally this whole front end can go together. That's literally all we've been waiting on. I have all the parts over there and inside for this car. So once those are installed, this car's gonna go together in like probably like a week. Like it's gonna be a little bit of work, but not like a ton of work. And then we gotta do the door, the rocker, but I got the new rocker there and I got the new door there, all painted, ready to go. We are moving along, and it's been a journey so far getting here, and it sucked waiting on these frame rails, and to this day we didn't just make these, Chevy still would be in the same spot. So thank God my fab guy can make these. You know, I just can't wait to see how this thing comes out. It's super exciting. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for being patient with me. I know this is taking longer than I've said. I said I wanted to do it in like a month, and we both know that didn't happen. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. Stay tuned, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.